Magluluto din ako ng carbohydrates para kay Sophia. So, ang lulutuin ko is ito. Tagliatelle. 2 piraso. Tsaka gagawan ko siya ng sauce. Siyempre, hindi mawawala sa atin yung kanin. Power ng mga Pinoy. So, ulam is barbecue grill tilapia. Tapos, pasta for Sophia. Kanin naman sa akin. Simple lang panangalian. 2 lang naman kasi kami rito. So, nasa work siya na. Niluto ko kay Sophia ang kanyang ala bolognese pasta. Tsaka ang aking kanin. Mustahin natin yung aking isda. Oh my goodness, backfire. Yun. After niyang gumawa ng kanyang homework, relax time for Sophia. What are you watching?
I'm watching the Princess Frog. The Prince Frog. It's when a princess has to kiss a frog. You know that story, but it's that story.
All right. Okay. So we're gonna have lunch in a few minutes. Okay. Ahoy, Czech Republic.
Ahoy, Czech Republic.
Magandang tanghali, Philippines. Our lunch. And Sophia just prayed for the food. At ito pong ulam namin, ang aming grilled fish na tilapia. Yan po, tilapia. Okay? Kay Sophia naman is, what's your... Ay!
Can I try and poke its eye?
Oh, poke. You wanna poke his eyes? Okay. Kain ba tayo? Sarap. Tingnan natin.
His eyes taste fishy.
Sarap na.
Let's try. I want to
Try
try.
Try this one. Try. No. Try. Tilapia! Good? Good? Right? It's really good, right? Yeah? Okay. Take that if you want.
I don't want it. I like this one better.
Yeah? Okay. 2 lang kasi kami ganito. Ulangan siya na, nasa work. So ganito palagi kami. Tanghalian. Corn. Yan. Sarap. So, palagi na lang kami nasa... We always eat meat. We seldom eat fish. Right, Mankan? Why?
I don't know. They're like carnivores. But I'm an omnivore.
Tapos sausawan? Yung isda na minsan mo lang makain. Ayos. Ito.
Tata, did you know, without electricity, everything would be cold in your room? Everything will be cold. But when you have electricity, everything will not be cold.
What do you mean?
Like electricity.
Yeah, because in here in England it's cold. But in Philippines, if you don't have electricity, in Philippines, everything will be warm, hot. because we don't have snow, we don't have cold weather in Philippines.
Never?
Mm.
If you live in Philippines, you should have went to the snow. It's so fun. So snow is like Play-Doh. And you can make things out of it.
Mm-hmm.
But it's very cold in your hands. I can stand the cold.
You can?
Yeah.
When you went to Czech Republic?
Yes, but not that long.
Yeah.
It's so amazing when you play with snow. You can make it into a ball and throw things at your friend, and it never hurts.
Yeah.
But you have to wear a coat.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Which do you prefer, meat or fish?
Meat.
Meat. Why you don't like fish?
No.
Why not?
Because it tastes fishy.
Of course it's fish.
Yes, and you know, at the time, what is this?
Huh?
What is this like this point?
Bukog. Tinik ng isda. Kailangan lang sa isda. Marunong ka maghimay-himay ng mga tinik. Kasi pag hindi ka marunong kumain ng isda, maraming masasayang na
Ayaw ko naman.
meat ng isda.
Meat ng isda.
Kailangan mo nang matutong mag-Tagalog.
Maluwa naman ako Tagalog.
Alam mo mag-Tagalog? Alam mo mag-Tagalog na?
I'm just copying Tali what he's saying. I'm not speaking a different language. I'm just copying what he's saying. What?
Okay. You should learn Tagalog now. Because you are Filipina.
But I'm still learning Czech.
But you know already Czech.
Oh, maybe a little bit.
No, you know. A lot.
Just a little bit. People say I know a lot, but some words I don't know how to say properly.
In Czech?
I know how to speak Czech, but sometimes I can't pronounce the word properly.
Okay. Pinakamasarap na bahagi ng isda, yung ulo, yung dito ng isda, sarap, ayos. I guess, yeah, I guess. Meron tayong shout out.
I wonder why you call it shout out.
You wonder why we call it shout out?
Because shout out like shout out. You shout
Like that.
shout.
Literally, that is shout out. Like that?
Yeah. Shout out. I don't get it why it's called shout out. You should call it. I don't know what.
Greetings, okay. Okay, pagbati. Okay. Hello dyan kay Boy Manalaysay ng Pasig. Salamat po, sir. Kasi maraming mga pagbati. Minsan hindi ko nakikita yung mga greetings, yung mga nagre-request. Kaya na-skip ko minsan. At hello din kay Rinante Jokson from Jeddah. Salamat, sir, sa panood dyan sa Jeddah. Kay John Paul Tugadi from Iligan. Dagang salamat bay sa imong pagtanaw. Iligan. At saka kay Francis Arnae, salamat po. Rebecca Kagekla from Valenzuela City. Ito binabati pala ni Jose Huatas, si Jeneline Huatas from watching from Vancouver, Canada. Yun. Hello din kay Marcelino Chico from Bulacan. Bulacan. Kain po tayo.
Dago.
Uya. So, yan lang muna po. At salamat po sa patuloy niyong pag-support. At do you have something to say, Pinkay? Anything to say? And let's go, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You don't have anything to say?
I don't have anything to say.
Okay. Okay then. Bye.
Bye.
Kain na kami.
Bye-bye.
Okay.